Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. We've returned to Hill Cottage Farm Caravan Park to take a look at a new piece of equipment we've recently installed, a car barrier entry system. This system has many functionalities and uses for the customer to use and improves the running of their business and make their site more manageable. There are two barriers, one for each section of the site, camping and caravans. Each barrier is controlled via two ANPR cameras. ANPR cameras have the ability to scan and identify number plates. The customer can save all number plates for people staying at the site, making entry and exit easier once they are established guests. ANPR camera 1 opens barrier 1 and ANPR camera 2 opens barrier 2. Upon approaching, the camera detects the plate and opens the barrier instantly. When guests check out, the plate can be deleted so they can no longer enter the site. The barrier can also be opened using handheld remotes or the CCTV Intercom. The intercom is for guests who are arriving for the first time and emergency services. When pressing the call button, this calls the internal screen and the smartphone app. The intercom is equipped with two-way audio and video communication. You can then also open the barrier using the internal screen and smartphone app. When a customer comes to exit the site, there is a buried induction loop on the opposing side which detects the vehicle and opens the barrier automatically. There are also fitted safety features. For example, if someone walks under the barrier, it will detect and throw the barrier back up again using smart radar. The barrier also has entry and exit lights indicating when it is safe to go through the barrier space. To summarise, the site has two barriers which are controlled by ANPR cameras. Number plates can be saved and deleted by the owner. It can also be controlled via the internal screen, smartphone app or key fob. There is an intercom for arriving guests and emergency services, and the barrier is also outfitted with its own safety features.